Good morning. We're back here at the Sage Creek Cottage Project, and today we're going to talk a little bit about air seal and what that does for your house. You can see here that all of the penetrations through this wall have foam put into them. That is the case throughout all the exterior walls and everything that goes through the top plate into the attic, as well as the bottom plate into the crawl space. The foam that you see going through these penetrations here is also done along the plate throughout the perimeter of the home. It's done anywhere that there's blocking going up to the attic or around fire blocking, for instance, in the bonus room above the garage, that would get fire blocked and that would all be sealed. The purpose for it is to help on the energy efficiency of the home. According to Department of Energy's research, the air flow that comes through all the little gaps and cracks and crevices in the exterior of your home can reduce the efficiency of your insulation by 30%. So doing this then can increase the efficiency by 30% and help save on the cost of heating and cooling your home in the future. Not all counties require the same air seal as they do in this particular county. Here it's an inspected item, but at Northridge Homes we carry that same standard throughout everything we build in every county that we build in because of the efficiency that it brings to your home. Here you can see another example of where we've sealed. This is where two shear panels come together in a wall, and we've sealed the gap between the two to make sure the airflow stops. What I have in my hand here is a standard piece of R21 fiberglass batt insulation. This would be installed in the wall as such, obviously from floor to ceiling. And what the air seal helps do is help keep that airflow from moving through all of the spaces so that we can get maximum R value out of this piece and there's not airflow passing through it and then eventually passing into the home.